So we're going to show you how to use microscope. Now there is a certain structure: ocular lens, objective lens, stage control, stage. This is called a coarse focus, fine focus, an iris diagram at the bottom. Okay, and there is a voltage control right here. So make sure first you plug in, then you turn on the voltage control all the way to the largest. Okay, now let's do that. I'm going to put a medded Staphylococcus aureus right in the circle in the middle. That's a specimen. So I will put this one to the first one. You take a picture, we got this. Okay? That's the first step. Okay? That's the first step. Okay. Now the second step, we're going to put this one right in the middle. That's the second step. Okay, just a little bit close. Okay, the second, just a little bit. Take another picture, a little bit close. Yeah, we right put in the middle. Now what we do? There is 4 lenses. We only gonna use 10x, the yellow one, and the 100x, the white one, in this semester. Okay, so how we do it? First of all, we make sure this stage is in the middle. So take another picture, make sure it's in the middle. Right in the middle, okay? Now we're gonna move it up to the place we cannot move. So move up to the place we cannot move. Another picture a little bit low, little bit far away. Yeah. Okay, to the place we cannot move. Okay, then we put our eyes. Now, basically, you don't have to use glasses because that magnification is enough. So put your eyes there. So you go down little, slow, very slow. This time, your hands is on the coarse focus, which is a sequence. Okay. You're gonna take a picture when we put on the hands is on the coarse focus. Okay. Now Lee, take another picture when you go to see inside the microscope. What you see it? No, just a little bit close. Yeah, what you see it? That's good. Okay, you're gonna see it. You like that? That's good. That's a 10x. Now, when we 10x find a specimen, we want to see more clear the morphology, so we use 100x. So how we do it? With oil immersion. You need the oil first. Okay, so you switch this a little bit. Lee, take a picture right there. That is, we want to make a space. Then we add 1 drop of the oil right in the middle. That has to be large, not just a tiny one. So we take a picture, which is 1 drop of the oil. Okay, then we skip this blue one. We don't use 40x. We use 100x. Now remember, we talk about iris diagram. This iris diagram, make sure you're gonna have to be 100. Okay. Now you have the oil there. Then we can do the observation. In this moment, you should use your coarse fine focus. Just do a little bit of adjustment. Let me take a picture when I'm doing this right now, which is use the fine focus. We only do fine focus right now. Now this is called a parfocal, which means we focused. At 10x, we switch to 100x. We only need to do a very tiny adjustment. The specimen will be stay focused. Now Lee, take a picture. What we find underneath 100x. That's very good. Okay? So this is what we do. Now you can take a picture and you draw. So that's the procedure how we use microscope. Now the key thing is, lots of the students will say, I didn't see it very clearly. Now make sure this iris diagram, when you come to see that, the iris diagram, you will take a picture too. The Alice diagram, when you see the 100, that has to be 100. Okay? And if it's in 10, that has to be 10x magnification. That has to be in 10. That Alice diagram is very important. Okay? So that's all we have.